Hey there, I'm Dr. Sandeepa Biswas and you're watching my channel Icons on Earth. In this video, I'm going to describe what is research design. So basically, when the new research scholars, when they have just taken their admission into a PhD or MPhil, they come with the they get through this phrase, and sometimes they get confused, or there may be a little problem in understanding what it is or why it is needed. How to make research design. So this video is going to be all about this, a brief fundamental explanation of research designing. So let's have a look at this idea. Thank you.
Research designing is one of the most important steps while conducting a research study or writing your thesis. So, in a nutshell, you can say that a research designing is like making a blueprint. When you or when some architecture makes a building, before he makes a building, he prepares a blueprint for that purpose, because when you are doing such work, like suppose we have taken an example of making a building, you have limited resources, limited time, and human resource also limited. So you don't want to waste these things, so you make a blueprint, um, so that everything should be precise and there should not be the wastage of different kinds of resources. In the research study or analysis, research designing is also like the same thing. You make a blueprint of the study which you are going to conduct. Okay, I will take a popular definition given by Claire Shells and others in their book, which is Research Methods in Social Science, which was published in 1962. They say that a research design is the arrangement of conditions for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with economy in purpose. So one thing is uh, should be noted is that economy has to be considered very important. What does that mean? That it means that the resources we have is limited, and for that purpose we have to save them. We have to work efficiently. So when we are going into the study, so we try to figure out in advance that what is going to we study about, why is the study being made, where will the study be carried out, what type of data is required, where can the required data be found, what period of time will be the study include, what will be the sample design, what technique of data collection will be issued, how will the data be analyzed, in what style will the report be prepared. So you make clear all these points before jumping into the analysis, so you don't waste time, you don't waste money, because when you conduct survey you have to put lot of financial resource along with time and along with human resource or the researchers efforts. So the decisions of research design can be split according to the following parts, like sampling design, which deal with the method of selecting items to be observed for the given study; observational design, which relates to the conditions under which the observations are to be made. Look, the conditions can be altered according to the type of this study we are going to conduct. Other point is statistical design, which concerns with the question of how many items are to be observed and how the information and data gathered are to be analyzed. Next is operational design, which deals with the technique by which the procedure is specified in the sampling, statistical and observational designs can be carried out. All these points should be clear. So, research design can be understood as a plan that specifies the sources and types of information relevant to the research problem. It's a strategy specifying which approach will be used for gathering and analyzing the data. So, it includes the time and cost budgets, since most studies are done under these two constraints. Look, a good research design is often characterized by adjectives like flexible, appropriate, efficient, economical, and so on. A good research design should include all these or most of these qualities or attributes. Generally, the design which minimizes bias and maximizes the reliability of the data collected and analyzed is considered a good design. Furthermore, the design which gives the smallest experimental error is supposed to be the best design in many investigations, and similarly, a design which yields maximal information and provides an opportunity for considering many different aspects of a problem is considered most appropriate and efficient design in respect of many research problems. Thus, the question of good design is related to the purpose or objective of the research problem and also with the nature of the problem to be studied. So, I hope this video is useful for you. You may have grasped the idea or the need of the research designing before actually conducting the study. Thank you so much.